guys, today we're gonna be the talkie challenge. I have never ate talkies, and I got some milk. But if I drink the milk, then I lose the challenge. So let's get started. The talkies look. Let's go talkies. Look at the talkies. Wow, the talkies look good. Smells hot. Look at those babies. I'm scared. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. I'm so scared. Oh my God, it's hot. I can't. Like, it's so hot. Like, it's hot. Sorry, guys.